Hello everyone, welcome to Small Gas Engines and Recreational Vehicle Repair.
Hey, Mr. Fanders, what kind of students excel in your program?
Pretty much any type of student can excel in this program, but basically we want students that are going to be able to think outside the box and have critical thinking skills.
What's the coolest tool or piece of equipment in your program lab?
And that's hard to say because we have so much cool equipment in here. We have motorcycles, there's ATVs. Probably my favorite piece of equipment that we just got in the lab is this new Kubota tractor. It has a lot of features, small diesel engine, so we can expand on what the students do in here.
What are some of your program alumni doing today?
We have kids in every field. We have students in the automotive field, we have students in the motorcycle and power sports field, we have students in manufacturing, in every field that you could imaginably think of. Boat motors, small engines and power equipment. There's kids working on all kinds of stuff. It's really cool.
Do students typically launch careers in small engines immediately after high school, or do they continue their education?
We have a lot of different career pathways in our program. So if we look at our career tree here, we can see all the pathways that they have. So a lot of our students will go straight into work. They'll graduate from here and they'll be ready for industry. Other students will continue their education in post-secondary technical schools or even go to college for different programs, possibly become engineers or anything like that.
Awesome. What do you enjoy most about teaching at LCTI?
Mostly, I enjoy my students. I like taking my industry experience and passing it on to my students so they can excel in the career that I have a huge passion for.
Thanks so much, Mr. Fanders.
Thank you.